What are the right questions to help make good decisions? This is a question I've been exploring for my whole career. Good questions are essential if we want to get the right information. If we don't ask the right questions, we won't get the answers we need. Without the necessary information, we won't be able to make good decisions. We generally take decision making for granted. After all, we make thousands of choices every day, some conscious, some unconscious, and rarely need to apply more than our intuition to a decision. But there is a problem. Research has demonstrated that our intuition is amazing, but it has limits. Therefore, understanding decision making and how to make good decisions is critical to all of us, and good decision making starts with good questions. As John Dewey said, a problem well put is half solved. The problem with many processes and tools, including those used for decision making, is that they're often non-intuitive and hard to remember. That is why we should start with what we already know and the structures that are already embedded in our language. When I was training as a bomb disposal officer, we were taught a question technique called the 5 W's, which we used when we approached an incident. The 5 W's are what, where, when, who, and why. To this list, how is also usually added. This 5 W's and an H provides an easy to remember checklist. It is a useful way of doing a quick situational analysis. The idea is that by using the 5 W's to construct open questions, you are more likely to get factual answers and more information while avoiding presuppositions. As I've done further research into question technique and applied the principles in my work, I found that it's also useful to add another W, that of which, to this list. The which question helps us to cover the concept of selection of choice and therefore helps to inspire options and consider risk. This helps to move the tool from just situational analysis to become a complete decision-making cycle, which can also be used for planning. This makes 7 questions in total and creates an easily remembered framework. It's easy to recall as it's based upon the most common interrogative words that we use in English. The methodology easily translates into other languages too. The use and application of these 7 open questions is a technique I've dubbed the right questions, inspired by the question I started with. If you want to find out more, just click on the links or go to the website, which is www.therightquestions.co.